my name is Denise Willerton and I am Chez Creations. I want to welcome you here. Sometimes it's nice to put a face to a name, so that's why I'm coming to you via video. But I'm going to bring the camera down because I want to show you some goodies. So here we go. These are called my Post-it note book holders. Now I create these from the beginning right through to the end, okay? So this is a Post-it note holder. This one kind of has a travel theme on it because you can see all of the suitcases and stuff. There's a little Post-it note in here and a pen and a place for notes. And now this opens this way. And there's another spot here for more papers to go under. Okay, so this is kind of a travel theme. There's just an elastic band to keep it shut. Here is one that is kind of generic. So same idea, elastic band, Post-it note, pen, and that opens up. So I won't open the others, but I'll show you. So I have two sockers. So this would be good for a soccer coach or for a person that loves playing soccer. And these are all currently in stock. And then two for a music teacher. So same idea, okay? Place for a Post-it note. This opens up for more, okay? And so this would be good for a music teacher or a music lover. Now, while I have you here, let me show you two other goodies that I also create from scratch. So this starts with a piece of chipboard, and I create the pages, I create the cover and everything. So this is a coiled book, and it opens up, and it's for a little girl. So there's a pocket here for little treasures, a baby bracelet, locks of hair, and then throughout the book, there are pockets. You would put a picture on here. There are pockets all over the place. This is called a waterfall. So you would just put a picture under each one of these. Opens up. So it's an interactive photo book. So there would be room for journaling and stuff. I haven't quite finished by putting the lines on there. And another pocket, another place for journaling or more pictures. So these are called ephemera, all of these little extras that are in there. And there are ephemera throughout the whole book. So this, I need to move this over because this opens up like so. So you could put a nice big 5x7, 5x7. It flips over, room for more there. Another pocket with more ephemera in it, and another pocket with more ephemera, a smaller pocket. This little guy opens up like this, room for journaling. So as you can see, I haven't totally finished this book, but it wouldn't be a problem to finish putting that together for you. Another pocket, and then the book is, whoops, no, there's one more page. And another smaller pocket, and then just this little kind of file folder. So there's the book. I can personalize the front, whatever you want on there. I just finished creating two of these books, but I'm not able to create more from start. Time just doesn't allow it, but I had someone make it for each of the grandparents on both sides of the family. So one of the books said to our Nana and Papa, and the other book said to our Grandma and Grandpa, and then there's the back of the book, and of course it's created by Chez Creations. Now I have one more goodie that I want to show you. Now all of these are currently in stock. So this is a larger book, and as you can tell if you listen, that's a magnet. So it's a magnet closure, and it's quite large. This is about 8.5 wide, and where am I here? And about 7.5. So 8.5 by 7.5. So this opens like so. Okay. Now this opens again. I'm going to have to keep moving over here. These pull out, lots of room for pictures, lots of pockets. You could add your own things in there as well. This pulls out, as you can see. Lots of room for journaling or more pictures if you had a big family photo. So this is just a large pocket that I pulled this out of, okay? And I'll put that back in a minute so I can just keep going. So there's room here for another picture. These are two little side pockets beside each other with pullouts as well on both of those. Another little pocket, place for journaling. Another big pocket, just like the other one. So that just pulls right out, like so. And here is another pocket, room for journaling and a picture. Okay, so that's all of that on that side. Now, if I close that and bring you to this side, and this is the only one that I have in stock, you have room for more pictures, 3x5s, 4x6, 5x7s. I think those are the sizes. You could put a nice big family photo here, and if I move this over here, on this side, you have a great big pocket. So if you had a lot of memorabilia, postcards, love letters, whatever you would like to put in there, and that closes, and this is where the magnet closure comes in, right there, and again, created by Chez. So I hope that you like what you've seen here, and everything that I have shown you is currently in stock. I do not have time to create anything before Christmas, but I do have these items in stock. Okay? Thanks for watching. Talk to you later. Bye.